And hi guys, I got two boxes. Look at this, Mama. This is the coin. This is the coin. Here of money, and this is the no. This is the coin. This is the bills. Okay, I need to open like this, guys. There's Mira and Zoe. Mira again. This happening. Mira, Rumi, Zoe. Mira, Zoe. There to open her. I got here. Go. Open this. I need. Wait. I got. What I see? Whoa. I see this, guys. Guys, Tito buy this right now. This is by the store. But let's go buy this later. And this is my school, and my school. Don't buy it later. So Shopee and okay, Cash Gucci. Which I like color this black colors. And I got this with AC. I found the key here. Go open what's inside this. Look at that. Yeah. Guys. Wala. Walang guys naman dito. Battery lang ko lagi. Guys, ganda tayo. Amazing pero kunti yung lalagyan niya. Game lang sa ng surprises. Take ice ko na to, guys. Yan. Yeah. Ganito na. Guys, ilak na natin. Balik na natin. Nagtake na iwan po ito, guys. Iwan po ito. Oh, check. Put na natin dito. Ibang green box. Ito naman, side na ako. Ilan daw sa? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 daw sa, pero golden talaga to. 20 twist. Pero silang sira ng blind box. Pero, ano po din, may meron to, at saka, silang kunin natin. Kunin natin sa blind box. Sana may, sabi daw may cord daw dito, sabi daw. At may skitters. May, totoo nga may cord. Totoo, ay. Sabi daw pala may ganito eh. Tawin natin guys, baka makita.
Nino, baka makita Nino. Whose
Si
keychain is that?
Ate. Saka yung Zoe po, love sila ng the baby Sala, okay? Tsaka man ulit tayo ng ganito. Mira, I like Mira. Kasi cute, saka si meron siya pink na hair. So guys, kuhay tayo kasi sa labi ng character. Mira? Mira Rumi, guys. I got this. Mira again.
Matulog na. Matime na po.
Wait po. Sasabihin ko to.
Girl, ang daming cards niyan.
Tsaka meron pa po sticky, guys. Iput na natin ito na. Ito. May sticker daw sa eh. Kung wala, bigay ko kayo ng
Sabi mo, sleepy ka na.
Tsaka may sticker pa sa guys. Kung ano gusto niyo kunin. Pero yun naman niya. Dami ako twisties to. Kung gusto niyo pahiram, like and subscribe na kayo. Bye-bye, yun lang.